separate Oconee or Watkinsville Christmas Day video. As you can see, we've got our little Christmas tree lit up on the dash. I think you can see some of the reflection of some of the bulbs, depending on how the light hits the windshield. We'll be cutting through Wire Park just to show y'all the updated construction. And this afternoon, I think our intention is to go to Ackworth for Christmas dinner tonight, or Christmas night, and get video going through Atlanta this afternoon. See what's going on in Atlanta on Christmas Day 2023. Slow down when we get into the city of Watkinsville, the city limits, because they like to generate money with speeding tickets. The city council there spends more money than they need to spend, so they have to generate as much money as possible, but every way they can. Typical government. Now here, as we're coming up on Wire Park, we're going to turn in. We'll let Speed Racer get off our bumper. Maybe Watkinsville's waiting on you up there. Get on up there and find out. I don't know if these are apartments. I think, or I at least thought that they were fee simple townhomes or whatever, but I don't know what they are. Someone will have to update us on that. You would think they would have covered that plywood, wouldn't you? But they didn't. The things I would do compared to the things these track builders do, commercial builders, is completely different. Let's see if it tells what these are here. The flats at Wire Park, that sounds more like rental, doesn't it? Coming in 2023. Hey, they better hurry. 2023 is almost expired. It's going to add quite a bit of traffic to Barnett Shoals, which is already congested up here at this intersection. Something's going to have to be done at this intersection at some point. I don't know what it'll be. Whether there's a red light solution or whether there's a roundabout solution. But something is definitely going to have to be done about it. Yeah, all that plywood just sitting out there. Lumber too, but you know, whatever. It's not my project to oversee. If it was, because things would be different. But nobody cares about the way I would do things. I don't blame them. We'll get through Watkinsville, and this will either be a standalone or we'll add it to the Athens one. This will probably standalone. I mean, this is already 5 minutes, so yeah, this will be standalone. So this will be 2 videos for today already. We're running 30 in this 25 speed limit. What's the road frontage here? It looks like 150 feet. 25-mile-an-hour speed limit. .200-foot road frontage. Mexican restaurant back there is very good. This intersection is almost non-navigable during rush hour. There's gridlock already. We will turn left up here at not this light, but the next light. Now, so this used to be down Symington Bridge here. Eagle Tavern there on the right, courthouse on the left. I'm pretty sure the library has already moved over to Wire Park, so I don't know what this building down here is going to be. Sheriff's office down here on the right. You have Watkinsville Police and Oconee County Sheriff's Office. Those two and the GSP, I think, are the only entities in Oconee County. I don't think there are any other law enforcement. Well, Bogart probably got police. Okay, we're about to exit Watkinsville. We'll go ahead and turn it off. Butler's Crossing's up here, but well, I guess we went through Butler's Crossing there. 4-laning this down through here, so we'll get it. University of North Georgia up here on the left. This will probably be all of the video until we head down towards Atlanta. Get video from Atlanta. I'll go ahead and get these uploaded. These will be two standalones. I'm not going to combine them. This is Georgia Highway 53. It ends back there where we turned left, and then we turn left here, it'll take you all the way across North Georgia in a long arc, and then go over into Alabama, going through Rome, going through a lot of these little towns, and then on over into Alabama. Golden Pantry's open. How about that? Okay, well, y'all have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see y'all after a while. I'd like to thank everyone for watching the videos and subscribing if you like to subscribe, and sharing the videos, please and thank you.